Mr. Wonderful. Kevin O'Leary, Shark Tank. Everybody knows Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful. Talks about the secret to investing is buying dividends, buying dividends. Why? Because a dividend stock Pfizer's always going to pay 3, 4, 5%. It's going to pay a lot better than a bond or a CD right now. And don't worry, he says, if the market goes down, because it's always going to pay the dividend. So if you don't sell, you're always going to get that dividend. You're always going to get that income. Buy a basket of dividend stocks. That's Kevin O'Leary's model. And you know what? I can't argue with Kevin O'Leary because he's a billionaire. But one thing I could say is, as a retired person, you want dividends, and it makes sense, but you sure don't want the possible downside risk. Let's face it. Pfizer, AT&T, dividend stocks did get crushed with the market during the COVID crisis in March. They dropped 30, 35%. So what if we can own a basket of dividend stocks and cut off the downside? Scrape the dividend, and when you need the money, you could buy your kitchen or your car. You can write a check against that portfolio. That's what we've created at IPS Strategic Capital. What we've done is we've eliminated the volatility of this basket of dividends, so you can get the dividends, and if you need the money, it's pretty much what it's going to be when you invest it. Scrape the dividends and keep the position pretty much stable. It's going to wiggle a little bit, but this is what the IPS income strategy does, something you want to take a look at. IPS Strategic Capital, the IPS income strategy. Thank you.